My dears, if you buy a new iPhone or a new phone and you want to transfer your SIM card, and when you was to put your SIM card to a new phone, you see, oh, it hasn't a SIM. It is a eSIM card. What you need to do? You just need to tap in settings options in your phone. After that, you need to tap in Wi-Fi and you need to enter in any Wi-Fi. Your phone must to be inside in any Wi-Fi to be internet connection. After that, tap in settings again and tap in cellular. After that, tap in setup cellular. If you had another iPhone, you just need to tap in transfer for nearby iPhone. And if you had another phone like a Samsung, Xiaomi, you just need to tap in use QR code. After that, you need to use the app of your provider, and inside the app of your provider, you need to generate a QR code. And after that, you just need to tap in this QR code in your provider, okay? So if you aren't to do that, you just need to keep in touch of your provider to you share this QR code to your new phone start to work. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. It is just easy like that. Don't forget to subscribe at this channel, leave a comment down here, and share this content. Thank you, my dears. Until the next video, and see ya.